this video, we're going to explain how to replace your logo control on your G and P series furnace. You're first going to want to start off by turning off the power to your boiler in both locations. So the first one on the control panel and the second one just in the back of the boiler. So you're going to take a Roberts number 2 bit and remove this control panel or the faceplate of the panel. So you got 4 screws here, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Once that's off, you can pull this panel out and just stick it on the side of the door here. And then you're going to want to grab a small flathead screwdriver and you're going to take off the top bus bar, the bottom bus bar, your ground wire, and your internet cable here. So you just want to take them off on the control itself, not the actual wires on the bus bar. So you just need to slightly loosen each one of these screws. You don't want to take them too far out or loosen them too much, otherwise they will fall out. So once you get all those unplugged, you can just lift the bus bars out and all your wires will stay there to make it easy to install your new one. Your next step will be just using the same screwdriver. You just push on this tab, push it down and move it to the right to separate from the expansion module. That'll give you the ability to slide it over a little bit and create that gap. And at the bottom of the very back of the control, there's a little plastic tab. Just put your screwdriver in there and pull down. And then you just lift from the bottom and push up, and that'll be how you remove your control. So now with your new logo control, we're just going to reverse those steps to reinstall it. So you just first lift it up and you hook on the top edge so it sits on the rail, and then you just have to push that tab up to lock it in. Your next step will be pushing it together up against your expansion module. You want to make sure that there's no gap there. That's as tight as it can get. And then just with the flathead screwdriver, you just push it down and over and it'll reconnect. Then you can start by installing the 2 bus bars. And install your ground wire. Plug your Ethernet cable back in and then just the top bar. So now that you got the control back plugged in with all your wires connected, just to test it before you close it up all the way, what you can do is turn the power back on in the back and turn on this rocker switch. One thing you want to look for is on this power, on this expansion module, you'll have a green light there. If you haven't put it close enough or connected it all the way, that will turn red. But as you can see, ours turned green and our control functions now. So now you can, now that you know it works, you can just turn the power back off and reinstall the faceplate. And that is how to replace your logo control.